I'm still trying to figure out what outfit I'm gonna wear to my living room for New Year's Eve. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna go. Honestly, I'm surprised by the lighting that's happening right now because it is a very wintry, rainy day here in Dallas. But today is day 3 of DT week. If you don't know what that is or you're just new to my channel, DT week is something that I started a few years ago where I just haul from Dollar Tree the entire week. My normal schedule is Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, but DT week obviously will include Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays as well. So I'm very excited. I think this is the perfect way to end the new year on my channel, so let's go ahead and dive in. I picked up some floral foam. Dollar Tree has this available all year round. This is really good craft stuff. I got it because I'm gonna be doing some decor updates throughout the house, as most of you already know this because I've been talking about it through several past videos now. But I got this because, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the item that I picked up. This is from Hobby Lobby and I got it on sale for $13. No, this is not a Hobby Lobby haul, but I'll show you where I'm getting at. And then I picked up this one like greenery stem. It was $13.99, but floral was 50% off. And I have a second one, but it's out there. But I knew that I wanted to like do this bit, but I just thought that there needed to be some height here. And this does kind of like drape, so I'll have to like play with it to make it look nice. Right now it's kind of like stuck together. And the first thing that popped up in my head was the floral foam from Dollar Tree. Obviously I was at a craft store, I was at Hobby Lobby, and I could have just picked it up there, but when I know that that item exists at Dollar Tree, you know, I'm gonna go get it there. So I'm just gonna like stage these obviously in here and just use it to kind of prop this up and give it some height, because otherwise it's gonna kind of look like this. So yeah, so anyways, I picked up 2 of those. I'm gonna be styling that basket, I think, in my kitchen. That is the plan when I looked at it. But girl, with me, you just never know. I may end up moving it around. Also, I feel like, sorry for changing subjects so quickly, but for some reason I feel like you guys are tilted, but you're not. Okay, so so I picked that up, and okay, where do I go next? Actually, let's go this realm, because Dollar Tree just posted this on their Instagram. They posted their brand new set. They're calling it like a 2-tone, and they have a full dinnerware collection with this navy and a red. So I'm obviously showing you guys the placemats. So I just want to say, think ahead whenever you shop at Dollar Tree, because some items just don't last long. They don't carry out throughout the entire year. So when I see colors like this, for me, I automatically go Christmas, I go Valentine's Day, I also go 4th of July, and I'm sure just in general, these are great colors if they match your everyday like style or aesthetic in your home. So it doesn't have to have anything to do obviously with, you know, a holiday or event. But in case you do anything, you know, where you want to kind of decorate for those events, definitely be thinking about that, even though I know it's still December. But that's just a shopping tip, because they might not be available in June to prepare for July 4th, etc. So the placemats are very pretty. I think they have a modern-y style farmhouse look to them for me. And yeah, so there's that. And now let's get into the dinnerware. So I'm gonna have to go back because I was kind of in a hurry when I went shopping this day, and I just wanted to get a couple of different things for you guys to see from the collection. But I'm definitely gonna go back and get more of the red because I think it will be a double use for me from a Christmas and Valentine's Day perspective. So hold on, I'm gonna put this one aside because I'm gonna show you the red first. So here is the plate, and you guys, this is beautiful. I mean, it is completely flawless, and the best part, which I know it's like, why is this the best part? But the entire back is red. That's just beautiful because I honestly, like with Dollar Tree, just white. I mean, again, not that it matters, but I think that's gorgeous. I think the quality of this plate is outstanding, and the line is like, it's crisp, because sometimes, you know, there can be like hits and misses with Dollar Tree. That's just how it goes. And then here is the matching like side plate. What do you call this plate? Salad plate? I don't know, somebody let me know in the comments. But how gorgeous is that? And obviously you can also mix and match, you know, for 4th of July, or again, if you just use navy and red in your colors, but absolutely beautiful. So, and just to kind of show you guys, I'm sure I'll do like an overshot of what this all looks like together because me holding this up just doesn't look good. And I want you guys to get like a good clear picture of what this setup looks like. And then for the navy, I got the plate, but I didn't find the side plate to it. But I did find the bowl. And I mean, the bowl is absolutely stunning. If you look at it from this, you know, perspective, from an aerial view, you still see that trim of navy there at the top, which is absolutely stunning. I think that this is one of the best dinnerwares that Dollar Tree's ever put out under their like name. Okay, so this does have the Dollar Tree logo and microwave safe and dishwasher safe. That's huge because unfortunately not everything that rolls through Dollar Tree is microwave safe or dishwasher safe. Trust me, I know there are a lot of things have melted. But they do tell you, so there's that. Anyways, absolutely stunning selection. And they didn't just stop there, they also did the matching glassware as well. And the set says, "Happiness is homemade," which is the red one. I know that's a little bit difficult to see there because of the double, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. They also have these in a different, like a goblet. It's not a goblet, but like, what are those, like, I don't know what kind of style glass, but they're just like half of this and kind of like rounded. And then the blue one says faith, family, and friends. I'm not like a huge fan of the text. I kind of wish that they didn't do text, but what they did do I think is very nice, very lovely for $1. And they had even other options to choose from this collection. Again, I didn't pick up absolutely everything. So, but the fact that that is available at Dollar Tree right now, I think I would put that on your list if it's something that you know, like you love to like entertain, or you just love doing like, I don't know, a Valentine's Day morning breakfast for the family, and those plates would be just a really cute, you know, little addition and touch. Oh, and they did the kitchen towel, which matches the glassware. So very pretty. I was super shook. I did not expect that. I actually found that collection before I saw Dollar Tree's post. So that's pretty awesome. And then I found these puppies right here, and just gentle reminder, solid sal. Like I can't get over it. This gold one is absolutely chic perfection. If you have your own office, just your own like little beauty room, like whatever it is, I feel like this is gonna look really great. Also beautiful for a bathroom. You could put cotton swabs, ear swabs, you could get a couple of these, maybe hold some makeup brushes. It's just absolutely epic. I just, what? And then this black one is really chic as well, and I'm just like, What? So this one, I think I'm gonna go back and get a couple more and put this in my upstairs media bathroom. I do have like a decorate with me. I even did a Dollar Tree DIY, which was so cute. Obsessed with it. I'll link that video down below. You definitely have to go check it out. But I'm gonna go back and get some more for that bathroom. And this one, I feel like I'm gonna go back and get a couple more of these as well. And I think I'm gonna give these to my daughter because they're the bomb. Like, I shook. Okay, so there's that. And then I found some new candles. I remember in the last several hauls where I showed you guys candles, I started seeing some comments about how there's a recall. Comment down below and give me some more information on that. I mean, honestly, I have not even researched it myself whatsoever. All of the candles that I've used from Dollar Tree have been fine, worked out fine. What's the recall for? Is it like fire hazardous, or is there a problem with like the scent? Like what is the deal? But I do want to show you guys that I found these candles. And they have a Valentine's Day look to them, but they were not included in like the Valentine's Day section. And Dollar Tree is famous for doing that. So if you're on the hunt and you go into that store for a certain holiday, look throughout the entire store. So the candles look like this. Has a really cute heart label. It's very simple. There's no design here. The warning like or informational labels on the back. And then it just looks like this. This one is Cinnamon Sparkle. Love that name. If cinnamon could sparkle, ladies, this would be it. And then here is the gorgeous lavender, lilac, whatever. Honestly, I'm starting to really love this color. My favorite color is blue, but I also love yellow and black. This one is called Creamy Coconut Vanilla. Yep. Yes, that, and it's interesting because they use the word creamy, and I definitely get that. So it's pretty awesome. But again, the candle looks like this, and then the label is very, very cute. If my camera would focus, kind of off-centered, you know, but it's a $1. So there's that. And then we have the cutest little like blush baby pink lid. This one is Pink Sugar Macaroons. Cute name. Oh my god, this just smells like Valentine's Day. I have to go back and get another one of these. And then we have this red one, which so very Valentine's Day. Also consider these for a gift basket. They're gonna look beautiful. Raspberry Kisses. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree's upping their game with their, they nailed the scents out of the park on these. Now, the question is, how good is the throw, right, of a small candle? And if you don't watch all of my videos, I think that these work really well, obviously in a smaller space, not as high ceilings. So I use mine for like bathrooms. They work really well, and I can personally smell quite a few of them. There have been some where the throw really wasn't there, and I have no idea if the throw is here for this. Because obviously you can tell I have not lit this up yet, but I can just tell you straight out of the packaging, I honestly don't know which one's my favorite. Honestly, I can't even choose. I really can't. Those were amazing. Okay, next up, okay, this shocked me. And I'm gonna talk about Vanessa again. I'm just gonna permanently put her Instagram account in my description box because I know I see a lot of comments. And I'll even like throw up her like Instagram on my screen. I still get comments about where her account is. So I'm always gonna have it in the description box for you guys. You can follow her there. She's just basically this lady that I found. She has her own professional cleaning service. She gives you tips and tricks. They are amazing. Love this woman. So anyways, there are quite a few items that when she's stockpiling for like her clients' houses, she gets a lot of things from Dollar Tree. So I have not seen her talk about these products yet because I think these just hit the shelves at Dollar Tree. But it's called Scrub It, which I think is a brand that's not out of Dollar Tree. I've seen like the microfiber towels because I bought some, but here is the like white, or the eraser, magic eraser. Yeah, and you get 5 sheets in here because they're cut really thin. I don't know if you guys can see it. I also really love the packaging, so if you know anybody that's maybe like moving into a new home, this would be a really cute item to put into a gift basket for that. And then I saw Dollar Tree put these out, and they look like dupes to the Scrub Daddy. So hello, if it is, I would definitely go scoop these up, and I found them in these 3 colors. Like, what? They look just like it. I mean, they're the non-scratch scrubs, and that's what the Scrub Daddies are, which Vanessa highly recommends the Scrub Daddies all the time. And I'm just like, wait, what? But anyways, these are gonna look great as well for a, like, you know, congrats on your new home kind of thing. Get to cleaning. I don't know what kind of message that sends, but you know, there you go. So there's that. And then, okay, the last several things are some hair accessories, and you know, the majority of the Dollar Tree hair accessories always impresses me. And I found some new snap clips. I feel like I have some of these already, but these look so chic, very trendy to me. This neutral set right here I think is definitely worth a pickup for $1. Then you have like colorful selection here, but yeah, amazing, love those. And then I found this little hair elastic with pearls on it. What? I'm gonna tell you just straight up, I don't know how comfortable that's gonna be. I think just looking at it from a package perspective, it just looks absolutely lovely. But all I can think about is my very fine hair getting wrapped up in all of these. I don't know, I am gonna give it a try because I think this is the cutest thing, but you know what, if at the end of the day it hurts, and I'm not gonna use it. And the very last things is just a must on your list if you have a little girl, because these are just gonna look so darling on her. You should have seen the look on my face when I found these. They are snap clips again, but they're like filled with confetti, and they have a cute little like pop-up decal on the outside of it. So you got a pineapple. You guys, what is this? These might be really cute for crafting too. I don't know, maybe you could turn these into a paper clip or something. I mean, the grapes, are you kidding me? The strawberries are absolutely darling. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but the little filler things are heart-shaped in that one. They're heart-shaped in all of them. And then the lemon is not heart-shaped. They're just little round ones. What? And so is the pineapple. I got everything that they had. I'm gonna give these to my sister-in-law so that my niece can have them, because they're just gonna look so adorable. All right, so that's it for the haul. I know it was on the smaller side than I normally share with you guys, but I am doing a full week. But definitely come back, because tomorrow, another Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed and got any ideas from my videos. That is exactly why I do them, to just help you guys in any way that I can. But please do comment down below and let me know what you know about like the Dollar Tree candle like recalls. The question is this one maybe in particular a recall? Because why would they put more candles back out? You know, if there's a problem, I don't know. Listen, I'm probably very naive thinking that way, but I have no idea. So comment down below, let me know what you know. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.